Hello, Nivedita. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Nivedita, you are applied for content position, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Nivedita Sonawane. Currently, I am living in Ahmedabad, but I am from Nasik district. I completed Bachelor of Engineering in Information Technology from Pune University and Master of Business Administration from Pune University in Information Technology. I my hobbies are like cooking, gardening, etc. I also interest in coding. That's why I studied for content position.
Okay. Tell me about your previous organization, on which project you work, on which domain you work, on which technology you work.
I have no technical experience.
Okay. Then how much you rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5?
Uh, all these three I rated 3.
3.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is mean by specificity? Hello.
1 minute, sir.
Okay. Take your time.
Specificity, according to class ID, we given which is useful for styling the element. For specificity for ID is more as than class.
Okay. What is the key difference between HTML element and tag?
Uh, Starting tag, content and ending tag, which is built up of HTML element, but HTML content is closed by using tag. That's why the HTML tag is denoted by greater than sign and close less than sign.
What is mean by inline element and blockable element?
Inline element is the element which starts in a same line, and a block level element is start on a new line. If we apply height and width property to inline element, the height and width not apply, but we give height and width to block level element, it will be applied. For inline element, margin left and right is only possible, but in block level element, height margin is possible all 4 sides. Examples of inline element like span, BR tag, and block level element like div, paragraph, etc.
What is box sizing?
Box sizing is the if we apply the height and width to the element, it include a padding and border. Box sizing default value is content box. If we apply the box sizing property to border box, the padding and border will be included in height and width.
What is box model?
Box model. Every
Yes.
HTML element is considered as a box model. A box model consists of 4 parts. 3 parts, sorry. Padding. Padding is the space between content and border. Border is the separator between padding and margin is the space outside of the HTML element, outside of border, which is occupied by HTML element.
What are the difference between display and visibility header? What are the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
If we give a display none or a visibility hidden, at the same time, the element is not visible. But if we give display none, the space occupied by the next element, that's why the structure of the web will be disturb, but if we apply visibility hidden, the space occupied by that same element will be as it is remain. That's why the structure of the website is not disturbed.
What is difference between HTML5 and HTML4?
HTML, in HTML, previous older version of HTML, we can't use video, audio. If we apply video by using a flash player, but in HTML5 we apply video, audio by using video tag, audio tag. Yeah, yes, HTML is supported in older version, but HTML5 is supported in new versions like Chrome, Firefox, etc. In HTML, not possible to draw shapes like a rectangle, circle, triangle, but in HTML5, it is possible to draw the shapes like a circle, triangle. In HTML, the nav tag, footer, that are not available, but in HTML5, nav, header, footer are the tags available. And drop type is very long declaration in HTML, but in HTML5, it is very easiest way.
What is meant by semantic tag?
Semantic tag are the tags which give information to the user as well as browser. For example, semantic tags are for form, table, etc. and non-semantic tag like div, section.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, semantic tag describes the meaning.
Okay. Check it check it properly after the interview.
Okay.
Which tags are semantic tag? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is float?
Float is helpful for positioning the HTML element. Float property like left, right, center, we give the float property.
What is meant by attribute?
Attribute which tells the information about HTML element to the browser. For example, attributes like style, href, src in image tag are the examples of attribute.
Which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
Repeat the question.
Which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
Combinator selectors, attribute selectors, pseudo class selectors, simple selectors are also.
Can you elaborate combinator
Simple
selector and pseudo
selectors
selector?
are like name.
Can you explain?
Yes, sir.
Elaborate it, combinator selector and pseudo selectors.
Combinator selector are describe the relationship between the elements, and pseudo class selector describes the state specific state of that element. For example of combinator selectors, like first is descendant selector, child selector, adjacent sibling selector, general sibling selector. Pseudo class selectors are pseudo selectors are categorized into two types: pseudo class selector and pseudo element selector. Pseudo class selectors are first child, first of type, last of type, young child, over, focus, etc. And pseudo um, elements are like selection, marker, first line, first letter.
Okay. Which type of symbol we use in a general sibling selector?
Tail
And in adjacent sibling selector?
plus.
Plus. Okay. What is difference between EM and I tag?
EM and I both are used to for it give the italic style to the element, but EM is mostly emphasize the text. That's it.
Both are working same. But what
Yes,
is
both
different
are.
between them? Okay. What are the list in HTML?
There are mostly two types of list of use: unordered list and ordered list. Order list given element in order like numbers, uh, alphabetic number, but in unordered list we give like bullets, represent by using bullets.
Okay. Share your screen and show me one list. But I want starting serial number with a small Roman number.
My screen is visible, sir.
Yes, it's visible.
Output is visible, sir.
Not. Please share your entire screen. Stop it and share the all. Don't click on any other window. That will share the screen.
Uh, Screen, click on screen, sir.
Just stop your screen first. Oh, yes. Silver. Now, open the VS Code.
What we just today upload.
Yes. Now, copy the 2 3 li again and copy paste it in same way.
What?
Copy the ELI to 3 lines. Yes, 2 3 lines. Yes, okay. Now, turn to background color to each even ELI. Hello,
Background color given to each element.
even ELI.
Which color, sir?
You can take any. Okay.
Output is
Mm,
visible, sir.
yes. Now, tell me, in how many ways can we position an HTML element? 4
4 ways, like static position, relative position, absolute, and sticky.
Oh, what is meant by stick position? Am I audible? Hello. 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 Hello.
By default position is static, but and uh, relative position is shown by it moves according to its parent, and absolute position is if we give relative position to the parent, then absolute position of child will be work. Sticky is the combination of fixed and relative.
What is difference between link tag and anchor tag?
Hello, sir.
What is difference between link tag and anchor tag? Hello. I'm audible. Hello. 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 Can you hear me? Hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Nivedita, check it from your side first. Okay.
Yes.
What is the
Audible.
difference between link tag and anchor tag?
Anchor tag gives anchor tag gives to uh, give one page to have another page, and link tag is useful to link the external files. For example, we link the style, external style sheet to the style.
Suppose we have one box, its height and width is 500 by 500, and there is another one box, height is 100 by 100. Okay, and background color is red. I want to second box on the center of first box. That means match their both center. Got
First
it?
box has uh, explain, repeat it, sir.
Uh, First box height and width is 500 by 500. Take background color whatever you want, red, green, black. And second box height and width is 100 by 100.
Output is visible, sir.
Yes, okay. What is function?
Function is a set of tasks use multiple function is the set of multiple tasks. Set of tasks. If we use it multiple times to function
Yes,
is a
go ahead.
combination of input and output. It consists of multiple tasks. If we call any method multiple times, we use function.
Can you show me one example of function declaration and function expression?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir, output. Hello, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
I, I say show
Output.
me one example of function expression and one example of function declaration.
Don't know, sir.
Hello.
Don't know, sir.
No problem. Mm, what is the use of index of method and caret method?
Index of method is useful in string. Both the methods, index of and caret method, use in string. Index of method returns the index number. number, and character at method returns the particular character at that index.
That index. Okay. What is mean by object array?
Object and array both are useful for store the multiple values, but in object we store multiple values in key value pair, and in array we store multiple values on the basis of index number, and in array index number starting from 0.
How many methods we use to extract this string?
Slice, uh, substring, and substr.
Okay. Can you show me one example of slice and one example of splice? Okay. Don't open the console or browser. Just tell me the output. What will be the output here? Okay. Incremented line.
This is the output, sir. Slice and slice.
Okay.
Mm.
Line number 8, NDHI. Okay. And here, mm,
Line number is excluded. 2 to 8.
okay. Save it and open the console. Okay, yes, good. At line number 11, in splice method, 1 comma 1. Remove the one.
First,
Second
second one.
one. Second one. Remove that. Now what will be the output here? Don't open the browser. Just tell me.
Mango, apple, banana, kiwi.
Mango, apple, banana. Okay, open. Save it. And open. What is the use of factor function and constructor function?
Factory or a constructor.
Yes.
In constructor, we create a new object by using new keyword. In factory function, if we declare any function, it will be move into call stack. At the same time, its declaration are stored in the heap memory. If we remove the declaration from call stack, the declaration of the function will be removed from heap memory.
Can you repeat again it?
In factory method, if we declare a function, it will be moved in call stack, but its function's declaration will be shipped in heap memory. If we remove the function from call stack, its declaration will be removed from memory.
At line number 6, we have one string. Okay. Can you reverse it?
Console is not open.
What happened?
Console is not open, sir.
It's not visible. Can you inspect it? Do one thing, Nivedita. Function.js. Oh, click on that file. Function.js. Click on that file. Open the JS file. Okay. Remove the previous code from line number 17 to 22 and above code. Clean it first. Okay. Take it properly at line number 10 in for loop. What is problem?
Don't necessary.
Excuse me. Okay. What is mean by higher order function?
In a higher order function, we pass a function as an argument. Higher order functions are the array helping methods. For example, map, filter, find index are the higher order functions.
What is difference between map and for each method?
Map method returns array. In for each method, it does not returns array. If you want the output as a array, the push method is useful. In a map method, we have a given array. We apply same functionality on each and every element of the array.
I'm sharing an array with you. In chat box, copy it. Hello, I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
Copy from chat. Okay. Now calculate the lifespan of company, each company.
Can I run? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes. Sure. Now I want to sum up all ages. It's addition of all the lifespan.
Lifespan.
Yes. Sum of all companies.
What?
Open the your browser. Line number 38. Here's one array at 20, 16, 8, 21, 5. Okay. Now I want to addition of all these lifespan. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Means sum of all the lengths.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Now I'm sharing again one statement with you. Copy it from chat. Okay. Remove the duplicate element from one array.
This is output, sir.
Can you do it without spread operator by using any other method? Okay, Nivedita, you try it after the interview. Again, I'm
Okay.
sharing one statement with you. Uh, Copy it from chat and tell me what will be the output. Don't open the console. Okay, first tell me. Hello.
Yes, sir. 1 minute. This is the answer.
That's final.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now again, I'm sharing one statement with you on chat. Copy it. First of all, okay. Now I want to square off each even element.
What, sir? Repeat it once again. Hello, sir. Please question repeat.
I I want to square off each even number.
Okay. Hello, sir.
Yes. 4, 16, 26, 60. Open the VS Code first. Four. Now again I'm sharing one array with you. Copy it from chat and find the minimum number from given array. Got it?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. Why is showing 13th time 1 to 3?
D.
Open the browser first. At line number 92, minimum number is 123. Okay. Before that, there is a 13 number. Why?
There are 13 elements in array. Mhm.
Can you do it without any flat and math method? Okay. Mm, Use that here. Okay. Done from my side, Nivedita. Do you have any question for me?
No, sir.
Okay. Have a good day.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.